right in my eye. Alright, y'all. Today's video, we're going to be busting out some cans, a bunch of Dr. Thunder, using my 60-inch Smiling Sling. They said we ain't get some good shots. Yep. Alright, y'all. Got me a little Dr. Thunder on top of that sign over there. The trick to this one is if I hit it too low, it's going to fall. All right, y'all, here we go. Shot number 2. Oh. Oh. Hey, it's so hard it's still busting. We'll get another one though. All right, y'all, let's try to get this thing again, but let's try to do it right this time. You know what I'm saying? Do a little head shot between the eyes. Oh, man. I keep busting them like that, y'all. Give me a good shot. All right, y'all. Like they say, third time's the charm, right? Let's get it. Ah! Ah, there it is, y'all. Headshot. Flat eye. Whew. All right, y'all. Let's try to figure something else out. Yeah. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I got me some Dr. Thunder cans out there. At 20 meters away. That's why it's 3 and not 1, y'all. I'm trying to get this before the sun go down. You know what I'm saying? 20 meters, 60-inch Smiling Sling. Oh, one down, baby. All right, y'all, let's get these last 2, man. I'm having super storage issues. About freaking time, y'all. All right, got it, y'all. Let's try to get one more before the sun go down. Yeah, bleh. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. We're gonna finish off with this little shot over the canal. You know what I mean? Sun's going down. Gotta get this over with. Shakaka! Alright, y'all. It just feels so good hitting stuff, watching it explode, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You got to try it if you haven't already. But, alright, y'all. There it is. You know, bust up some bottles, different distances, get a little practice. One little thing I want to say is, hashtag practical paracord to comments for a free sling giveaway coming up on the 4th of July, which is this weekend. Oh, all right. Y'all heard it, y'all. Don't tell nobody, because that's going to be a chance that you might not get to hit it. I ain't gonna lie. Tell everybody. Let's get everybody in it. Screw it, you know. The more people, the more slings I'm going to get. Let me not say too much, you know. This is just for the people that watch the vid, y'all. But yeah, we got that going on. One thing I did learn today when I was shooting the 20-meter distance at an angle, right? Usually you're trying to aim right in the middle of the target. But if you're shooting at an angle, just, let me see, how can I say this? I shot like at the bottom corner. Because I'm looking at it at an angle like this, so I'm gonna aim right here. So if I miss, you know, you gotta think about that high right, low left. You know, you always gotta throw like this if you throw the way I threw. I mean, learn how you throw and incorporate it on your way of throwing. But I focused on that little spot instead of the middle, because the middle, it wasn't right in the middle of the target. It was like the middle of what I'm seeing, but the target's at a whole nother angle. So pick your angles. They're real important, like pool, you know what I mean? Pool and slinging has a lot in common. But hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend, and when you do, tell me that notification bell. Bang!
Practical paracord, ayy, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now, all the slinging techniques. Paracord and legend, I got all the tips, check these, ayy. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord, let's go. Only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, packing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. You don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe.